Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a TikTok like this. Like a twin clone TikTok, like this one right here.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which. Hello.
Okay, so that's the video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do. But we won't be wearing the same exact clothes or anything like that. So first we're going to take that sound. So we're going to search up the sound. We're twins. Search up that sound.
Hello, we're twins.
And
Hello.
I'm trying to find what will allow my access.
Hello.
Most of them don't allow my access. The access.
Tommy, guess what?
Okay, this is the twin one. This is me. Hi. So we're gonna be filming a video with that sound. I'm just gonna film a random video. Hold on. So I'm gonna set it up. I just got a follower right here. I'm gonna press start shooting. Okay, and leave half of the room for your twin. And then when you're done with that, save it into your private and don't allow duet and react. Allow the comments and allow save to your. So, yeah, wow. A lot of people are going live. And I mean a lot. But I'll show you guys the video one more time.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when
Now that that's done, we're going to go back where that sound was. So use that sound. Okay. Then you have to allow you have to update the app first, and the updating it, you have to be on the app in 2018 TikTok. This is you just have to use the app to make this video. Now we're gonna go into that video and click it. And press the next button, the red next button in the corner, if you can see it. And then it should progress the video. Okay, and then we got that done. Press next and you can post it. So, I'll show you the video when it's all done. So, alright guys, here's the results. Don't mind the weather, no, we don't care if rain or shine. Together we're just fine. Okay, guys, I really, really, really hope that helped. So yeah. Oh, and I use InShot. It's like the Instagram thing. I use InShot to edit my videos. So bye, guys. Subscribe, turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video, and we'll see you guys in 2 weeks. So yeah.